My name is Bettina Hein. I'm the founder and CEO of Juli. We are a digital health company that helps people manage their chronic conditions and helps them feel better. There's a real pain point for people that have complex chronic conditions. Oftentimes, it takes years to get the right diagnosis and then to get somebody into a stable condition. And what I realized going through my own chronic condition health journey is that we collect lots and lots of data about ourselves every single day. We have our step counter, we have our digital scale, we have the weather, we have what we're doing with social media usage, we have our electronic health record, but nobody really brings all of that together and looks at it under the lens of the exact condition that you have and under the lens of who you are as a person, not how the general population works in regards to that condition. A lot of people with their digital health apps don't bring all of the data together that you can use. And doctors only see you episodically, but you need the data not just from 3 months ago and today, but everything that has happened in between. Juli collects that. You really can see all the data because people are terrible historians. When they go to see their doctors, they don't remember what they had for lunch 5 weeks ago. But Juli can collect all that information. And most of what we do is not something you have to actively put in. Your lunch you would obviously have to do, but how much you've walked that day, what social media you consume, what you've spent on your credit card, all of this data is easily connectable if you have an app that integrates all of that. And that's only now really becoming a reality because of the new interoperability standards that exist. Juli is one of the pioneers in this area. We use a principle that's called privacy by design, where every single step of where the data is originally collected, where it goes, all of that is designed with the highest security standards in place, with encryption, with also anonymization if you're using it. We believe very strongly that health data belongs to the patient, to the individual themselves. It doesn't belong to the hospital, doesn't belong to Apple, it doesn't belong to Google, and it certainly does not belong to us. That said, we do employ things that use a lot of data. There are new things coming up in machine learning, which we use. Our app is AI powered, called federated learning or secure machine learning, which allows us to analyze data without actually having access to a person's data permanently. We can do our calculations, we can do our analysis, we can show people patterns, we can show how they're different from a large population, but we never have that data ourselves. We only learn from it, it stays with the user.